So I work remotely, and since it's 2020, I use Zoom to make all my video calls. And it gets a little awkward towards the end of a call because, you do something like this. All right, good conversation. I'll talk to you later. Bye. And you have to, you've already said bye. You got to scroll all the way to the bottom of the window, hit end, and then you're like, oh no, I haven't really ended it. So you push this again. And then finally it ends. Um, I mean, obviously you can learn the hotkeys to end a call, which is you go down here, bottom right hand corner. According to this, it says Command W will end a call, but then you're also left with this end meeting for all shenanigan, and you can obviously hit return to quickly end it, but that's just not an ideal scenario. Instead, what if you could do this, which is boop, 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 boop. Just hit one shortcut and it does everything for you. Turns out it's possible to do that, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a macOS application called Keyboard Maestro. To get started, we're going to open up Keyboard Maestro and create a new macro. I'm going to call this hang up zoom. And to trigger this, I'm going to use a hotkey trigger. And for this hotkey trigger, because the macro is called hang up zoom, I'm gonna say Command Shift H. Oops. I'm gonna say Command Shift H. And instead of pressing it one, because I really don't know if Command Shift H is used for anything else globally, just to be safe, I'm gonna say tap it twice. Next thing I want to do is make sure that zoom is focused in the front window. So let's create a new action. And let's see, I'm going to use the action activate a specific application. And let's see, activate, not finder. I actually want to do zoom. And leave everything else alone. So it's going to activate all windows if it's already at the front. So if it's already got focus, it's going to leave it at the front. Next, I want to simulate a keyboard stroke. So let's see, keyboard or keystroke. Yes, type a keystroke and put it right underneath. And the keystroke that I'm looking for is Command W, which will actually end the call. But remember, when you do Command W in Zoom on a call, it actually puts up a prompt that says end all call for everybody. I think that's what it was. And in order to actually close that window or end the Zoom call, you actually have to do hit return. So I'm going to make sure that this macro can do everything. So it's going to do Command W to end the call, and also it's going to do a return. Oh, look, just like that. It's going to do a return to make sure that it really does end the call. So now, let's see. So I've got Zoom here. Let's just start a call. So I'm talking, and that's all we have for the meeting. I'll talk to you later. Bye. And now I will hit Command Shift HH, and boom, the Zoom call has ended. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, let's connect on Twitter at Michael Sue Lee. Have a great day.